Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can install HTTPX on your Windows machine. Before we dive in, I divided this video into 3 crucial parts, and trust me, each one is packed with valuable information you won't want to miss. So make sure you've hit that subscribe button and smashed the like button to support the channel. Let's get started. In this part, we're going to install Go package in our system. For that, go to your browser and search Go install Windows, then click the first link and download the package. Now we'll install the package. Just follow along with the steps I'm showing in the video, it's simple and straightforward. Open your browser and search HTTPX GitHub. After that, click on the first link. Then scroll down a little and copy this command. This will help you to download the HTTPX package in your system. Then paste the command in your command prompt and hit enter. Wait until the download is in progress. In part 3, we'll use this short command to add the HTTPX file to our system variable. To use HTTPX, first check what commands are available for us. For that, use this command HTTPX-H. This will help to view help panel. You can also check that in their GitHub page. I'll give you the link of their GitHub page in this video description, so make sure to visit that. That's for the today video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And if you found any error, you can ask me in the comments section.